Hey lovelies, it's Ebony and I'm back with another video for you. As you can see, I am completely barefaced for this video. Obviously because it is a skincare video, I wanted to go ahead and upload this video really quick for you guys because a lot of you have been asking me about my skincare routine and complimenting me on my skin, which I truly appreciate because I've been wanting clear skin for like a long time, y'all. Like it's just been something that I've just dreamt about and really truly wanted. But I do have a disclaimer. Right now, my skin looks a hot mess, okay? Because I haven't been keeping up with 1, drinking my water, 2, using my products like I should have been, and 3, which is the biggest issue of all, is we just had Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. And the entire time, probably for the past, I don't know, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, I have been just eating a lot of junk, you know, cakes, cookies, pies, chicken wings, turkey sandwiches, yams, greens, everything. Macaroni and cheese, whatever was out I ate and drank too. I didn't care. It was the holidays. So yeah, I mean, my face definitely reflects that, especially since I went on vacation last week to Florida. That was even worse. French fries almost every day, room service at 2 in the morning, whatever we wanted. It was disgusting for my face, but delicious for my body. But yeah, so my skin is really reacting. It's like getting revenge on me right now because I didn't do what I was supposed to be doing. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and film this video now and hopefully film another one in about 4 to 6 weeks of the after. So, you know, I have before and after, so I can show you guys how these products work for me, because I have been using these products for the past, I would say since my birthday in September, and they have been doing my skin a world of good. Like, that's why you guys have been complimenting me on my skin. And the best part about it is I didn't find these products on Instagram or Facebook or word of mouth or anything. I stumbled across them at GNC while looking for something completely different. I just knew I needed some skincare products, so I was like, oh, they got skincare products, let me see what they got. And I bought this all on my own, no help from anyone. I didn't even have the salesperson help me. I just liked what I saw, bought it, and hoped for the best. Let's get right into these products. When I was thinking about skincare products that I wanted, I knew I wanted something with glycolic and hyaluronic acid. I'm not exactly sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but anyways, I wanted something to help even out my skin because I have a lot of texture bumps, especially here on the T-zone and on the bridge of my nose, and even some, you know, little areas around my face, but mostly here. I wanted something to help resurface and smooth that, and Knit Fab pads did exactly that. Well, Knit Fab Glycolic Fix pads did that. These cost, I think, $11 or $12. You get 60 pads, so it lasts you for 2 months, or maybe a month if you use them twice a day, but I only used it once a month. This was like my first step to washing my face. And I only use these at night. I didn't use these in the morning. So the first thing I would do, take a pad, rub my face down with the pad, get all the dead skin and surface dirt and oil from my skin to get it ready for the cleansing process. Now, this product promises to retexturize and resurface your skin, moisturize, refresh, soothe, and calm. Now, I'm sure, you know, it did some of those other things like moisturizing and soothing and calming. I mean, it felt good, but the bumps on my face definitely smoothed out. Like, I saw that with my own eyes. It didn't happen immediately like that one product I told you guys about like way back when. That cost like $100, but it did happen over time. So I was completely satisfied with that. I was happy that I found something that seemed to be reacting well with my skin. So this was definitely a keeper. As you can see, this is empty. I'm gonna go get me some more products later this week so that I can start this process again and show you guys, you know, the results later on. And yeah, so let's move into the cleansing product. Now, like I said before, I had no idea, no clue about what products to get. So I was literally in GNC like looking for something that would jump out to me and make me feel like, oh, this is a good product. This has good ingredients. And I found that with the Turmerica line. I had never heard of this line before. I just saw it. What attracted me really was the box. Like, the box seems like that, you know, go green, save the earth type of box. It's very, you know, organic looking. So I was just like, let me try that. Let me see what this is talking about. So basically, the base product, or the base ingredient in this product, is turmeric. Turmeric is a spice, and if you don't know, turmeric has a lot of healing properties internally and externally, especially for your skin. And this cleansing oil, I could go in the bathroom right now and just put this on my skin now, and without, you know, wetting it first or doing anything else to it, and then just, you know, washing it off and patting my face down with the towel. So that's basically all you do for the cleansing oil. Now, it promises to get rid of makeup, dirt, and bacteria without over drying. This oil is formulated with all natural ingredients, rich in antioxidants and anti-aging benefits. Skin is rejuvenated and elasticity is improved for a healthy, youthful appearance. It cleanses, brightens, and offers antioxidant, and I just said that. It cleanses and moisturizes without clogging pores. It readily absorbs into the skin, and it has vitamins A, D, and E, which helps to nourish and rejuvenate the skin. Now, the kicker is what really caused me to make this purchase is the list of ingredients. It literally has 4 ingredients. 3 ingredients, and I can pronounce them all. Coconut oil, avocado oil, and turmeric extract. That's it. Now, how many skincare products do you guys see where you can literally pronounce all the ingredients with no problem? You're not questioning, what's that? I never seen that before. Is that gonna dry my skin? I don't know. Not with this. It literally has 3 ingredients in the entire product. And all it takes is a few pumps into, like, I pump it into like my fingertips, rub it together like this, rub it on my face, and then just take some warm water and wash it off. Now, it is oil, so it's not gonna wash off completely like squeaky clean, but I appreciate that because in the wintertime, I don't wanna feel like my skin is like super dry. I wanna feel like there's some moisture still going on there. And I just take a towel and pat my skin dry. Now, the next product in the product line that I bought is the Facial Soothing Toner. This is also from Turmerica. It promises to refresh, hydrate, and rejuvenate, soothe sensitive and irritated skin, maintain pH balance of skin, and softens for a healthy appearance without over drying. Now, the first product I told you had 3 ingredients. This has 2. Rose water and turmeric extract. That's it. All I did was take the bottle, put a little bit of it on a cotton ball, and rub my face down with it. And I feel like this was my favorite product out of the line because it got off any of the residue from the facial cleansing oil, and it just made my skin feel good. It's kind of hard to explain, but it just made my skin feel good. It has a really light, airy smell, and you know when something is really working for you, you can feel it, but you can't really quite explain it. Like, that's how this was. I use this toner all the time. I didn't want to ever skip it because you know how you have some products in your routines, whether it be hair or skin or whatever, and you're like, I don't really feel like doing that today. Not with this. I needed that toner. That was the first bottle that went empty out of this line of products for me. And the last product in the line of products I use is Turmerica again, and this is going to be the Facial Repair Serum. Now, the Repair Serum says that it readily absorbs into the skin, is rich in antioxidants, promotes healthy skin cell growth, repair and rejuvenate the skin from stress and harsh environmental conditions. Now, this one had just a couple more ingredients. It has coconut oil, jojoba oil, turmeric, and rosehip oil. Now, all I did was squirt a little bit of this, maybe 2 to 3 pumps, rub that all over my face, and I was done. I was good to go. My face felt so good. It didn't feel heavy at all with any of the oils. The oils are so thin. You don't have any residue or like, you know, greasy, slick feeling. It just feels like this is what my skin needs to be okay throughout the day. Because when you wash your skin, you know, you lose some oils, you lose a little bit of moisture, and you need to make sure you're putting that back into your skin so that you can have glowing, healthy skin. The Turmerica line, I definitely suggest getting together. I wouldn't get one without the other. And normally I never buy a set of anything. Normally I'm just like, you know, oh, I'll get this conditioner, I'll get that shampoo. I just feel like I don't need the whole set. I feel like it's a scam every time just to get more of your money. But all these products together really helped my skin a lot. They each were like $13.33. And it was just, at the time I looked at it like an investment because I had never spent that much money on skincare products before. But at the same time, I see so many products out here that are like $40 for one bottle of like 3 ounces of some type of serum or toner or whatever. And it's just like, what am I gonna do with that in a month? Like, it's gonna be gone. These products lasted me from September 18th, which was my birthday, till about, I don't know, I wanna say beginning of December sometime, or whenever I got lazy and stopped doing it on a regular basis. So it lasted me a pretty long time. I didn't use the glycolic pads every single day because sometimes I just didn't feel the need for it. Sometimes I just used the facial oil and the toner and the serum, or sometimes I just used the pads and the oil. Like, I was able to mix and match all the products to get the results that I needed. Because, you know, every day your skin, well, at least for me, every day my skin is not oily. Every day my skin is not super dirty. You know, days that I did makeup for videos, of course, I would go through the whole process and make sure I got everything off of my skin. Oh, and just so you know, because I never showed you the actual bottles. They come in little bottles like this. Of course, they have like little plastic caps, but I lost those a long time ago. But they have, you know, these little squirt bottles, and these were good because I was able to travel with these without any problem, because, you know, the size of them are small enough to travel with the carry-on. So that's another plus for these products. Oh, and before I go, I wanted to show you guys these lines on my face. So I don't know how these lines got on my face, but they showed up probably like, I don't know, early last year, or I don't know, but I think they're just like laugh lines. I laugh like my head off all the time. So this kind of showed up, but when using those products, I was able to see these lines fade, and I was just like, oh my God, are you kidding me? Like, I was so excited about that because I started seeing in videos and pictures. I was like, what is that? Like, I'm not trying to, you know, look my age right now. but yeah, the products really help to get my skin nice and hydrated, and I think that was part of the problem. My skin was probably getting dry, and of course I wasn't drinking enough water. But and speaking of water, that's something that you cannot ignore if you want naturally glowing, healthy skin. Like, it's no way to really get around it. You don't have to drink a gallon of water a day, but you should definitely be on that road to drinking, you know, at least 70 ounces or more of water a day, depending on your size, because water truly does help your body get rid of toxins and keep your skin nice and hydrated so that it looks its best, because moisturized, hydrated skin is really what helps to create that glowy look. I'm gonna go ahead and show you all my skin for before purposes, and hopefully that after looks way hotter than this. Now, I don't know if you can notice, but I do have some acne scarring on my face. Turmeric is actually really good with fading acne scars. So I'm interested to see how my acne scars fade. So yeah, pray for me. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope it was very, very helpful. This was not a sponsored video. I literally just wandered into GNC and found these products on my own and was happily surprised at the results. And if you guys have heard of Turmerica, please let me know what you guys think of them. If you know of any other products that they have, let me know in the comments below. If you have any other natural remedies involving turmeric, then let me know what those are as well, because I feel like turmeric is the key for me right now. Like, it did my face a world of good, and I just want to keep that going. So yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and as always, thanks for watching.